Our theme over the next couple days is called dream stacking. What's it called?
Dream stacking.
And what dream stacking really is, basically like if I said, look, what's your dream, what do you want to accomplish? And she tells me, and I go, what's your dream, what do you accomplish? And I ask all of you guys, what's your dream, what do you want to accomplish? And I go, what if we all helped each other get our dreams at the same time? Would you guys all be okay with that? I want to surround you with a community of salon owners that are not necessarily smarter than you, but might know something or have gone down a path you haven't gone down yet. Because I think sometimes we know things, but we don't do things. So it's not that you're looking for necessarily new information, although that will happen. There will be new information. It's not just about the new information, it's about what do you have actually installed that you're running, that you're operating, that works for you on a regular basis. So this group is designed to help you get more of those things done.